Basically, I do not know how to refill or even fill up a lighter. I bought this. It's this right here. RPNV collection. Because I needed a new lighter. Yes, people, yes. I smoke cigars. They are beautiful. They make me happy. So this is the lighter I got. I don't do all that. It get that pink. And, no, I don't do all that. So that's the thing. See, that's what it looked like on that side. Then of course, you know, bam. This the little deal so I can punch my hole with my cigar, which I love. I like the holes. I don't like it when they cut. That just don't make no sense to me, but you know, nor here nor there. All right. So I've never, where we go? Here we go. Look, I've never done this before. Look at the cute little box. So the lady did tell me it's a lifetime warranty on it. So I'm gonna make sure I maintain it. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. All right, it says, so air often gets trapped in the tank during refilling the lighter. Lighter must be purged periodically. Before you refill, be sure to depress the intake valve to release any stored air. Too much air in the tank will prevent the biotin from reaching the burners, preventing a spark. Okay, so which is that, which I just did. So you do that. Supposed to release air. Be sure the lighter cap is closed, which I just did. Y'all saw me. I just did that. Place the lighter upside down. So upside down. Then insert the universal gas container firmly and vertically into the filler valve. Press down, the tank will be filled after 10 to 15 seconds. Look, they on the fuel stuff, they repeat the same instructions I just said. Okay, so take this top out. What the hell? Is it childproof? Ain't no plastic on it. Wiggle it out. Look, wiggle it out. There you go. I'm using this. This is what I got from the cigar bar. Sorry, from the cigar bar place. So I'm using this here brand. This is what it looked like. So turn biotin upside down and dive valve the nozzle tip directly over the fuel valve. Press down firmly for 3. See, they say 3 to 4 seconds. These people over here say 10 to 15 seconds. Make up your minds. So here we go. Ah! Oh, and there's a little window, I guess, so I can see it. Get filled up. So press firmly. Oh, it's doing it. Is that it? Oh, it's full. Ah, I did it. Yes, I did it. I did it. Y'all can't see it, but I see the little liquid. Ah, I did it. Okay, so watch it. There it is. I did it. I'm so proud of myself. That was my first time refilling a lighter. Yes. All right. Well, there it is. Once again, like, subscribe, follow, share. Y'all saw how I did it? Because somebody probably need to know how to do that. Look at that. Like, subscribe, share. Although this is nothing but kitchen, but guess what? I'm gonna be showing y'all everything. Any little gadgets, anything that I get, I'm gonna show you. And I'm gonna, like I said, I'm always do it in your face before I even try it. So that way you know this is authentic all the way down the line. I'm not gonna pre-test nothing. So there it is. We did it. I'm excited. I'm gonna go have a smoky smoke with my cigars. And like I said, I'm not a chef. I'm not a genius. I'm just trying things and letting y'all see how it works before you go spend your money. I'm trying to save you time. I gotta come up with something. But anyway.